What the fuck? Oh my god. This is like OCD level design. Wow. After he said that, I suddenly feel so low class.
All these products sold out.
It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. I've really never seen a scene like this before.
So many people come here to buy our products.
Today, I'm going to take everyone to visit our top supply chain. Come on, let's go. Wow, look, he's so bold. Isn't he afraid?
It was done by the Polani design team.
Ferrari.
Let's go.
He really shattered my perception of factories. Wow, that's so cool.
Smart sensing. Because when you're cooking, both hands are busy, right? Just wave and it works.
It's really so incredibly responsive.
UFO.
Wow. How did you guys come up with this?
High pitch crack and even a separate part that can rotate.
Oh, that's so user-friendly.
This is the little monster.
Who wouldn't love this? I'm telling you. Should we open a mystery box? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow. Did you see that? Whoa. Wow. Wow, it's so cool. Wow, this is like OCD level design. Wow.
Made the magic. So many people come here to buy our products.
What the fuck? Is this a walk-in closet?
We call it the Interstellar Headquarters Closet Series.
It's like sci-fi movie?
This is a double layer rotating shoe rack.
Wow, that's so cool.
Press right here. This is a watch window.
I've never seen anything like this.
Uncle Philby, right?
A full-length mirror, and it can rotate.
Whoa. I'm so proud of my china.
Oh my god.
How does it do that?
Give it a try.
You can even put on a face mask. Can you watch cartoons too?
You can do it all. There's also a face mask fridge.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'd be happy to stay in the bathroom all day.
Feel this first.
Wow.
Ultrasonic defrosting sink. No scrubbing needed for lobsters. Just put them in and it'll wash them clean.
I really like this one.
What the fuck?
This is for the shower room.
I feel like a princess. There are toilets too.
Also door locks, faucets, basic hardware, spray guns and floor drains.
Can I take a photo?
All these products are sold out because we just can't stock enough.
This is only a part of it. How many products are there?
Tens of thousands. Customers can do one-stop shopping here.
Is it in high demand?
That warehouse in the back should have several hundred tons.
This is China. You see?